Hey guys, welcome back to Bright Night Tech. My name is Berto, and today we are looking at the KMAG portable voice amplifier. We'll start with an unboxing and then we'll take a look at what it can do. So let's get started. Alright, we have a pretty basic looking box right here. It got a little dented in transport, but tells you all the stuff that it comes with down here. And right over here. So show you some specs. So let's go ahead and just get it open. Just to let you know, I did cut that open ahead of time just so I can do this part next, but I didn't open it yet. Alright, here we have the manual. So it tells you everything it does, all the features. We're going to go through most of these, so if you want to pause it, you can take a look at that. Otherwise, let's set this aside and look at what else we got here. Alright, we got the headset. Looks pretty good. Alright, and here is the voice amplifier. So this is a little bit thinner and lighter than another one that I just reviewed, and I really like it. So you can see the knobs right there, on and off. It has a slot for an SD card, auxiliary port, and headphone port. Here it shows a little battery. I should probably charge that soon. Here we have an antenna for the FM function and a clip for the back. Alright, let's put that down. Let's see what else it came with. And it came with a little 16 gig micro SD card. That is awesome. They normally don't provide those for you, so that's really cool. Alright, we have a charging cable right here, and it is a micro USB. Alright, well, it is what it is. Here we have an auxiliary cable you can use to connect any device you like, and a strap. So if you want to actually have this around yourself instead of a clip on your waist, you can definitely use that. Alright, here is the stuff that it came with. What we're going to do now, we're going to run a quick little test so you can see what it sounds like, or hear what it sounds like, and then we'll see. Alright, so I'm going to demonstrate how this microphone works, which is fairly easy. When you turn it on, it goes straight into microphone mode. If you want to change it, you want to press the M button. It will then cycle between Bluetooth and radio mode, FM. So we're going to turn it on. I'm going to put it on my side here. It has a clip, by the way, which I showed you earlier. Alright, I'm going to turn it on. And you'll probably be able to hear it. It talks to you. It tells you what mode it's in.
Microphone mode.
Okay, so it is in microphone mode, which means it is projecting. So the microphone is on. So it sounds fairly clear. The headset's pretty comfortable. I got it under my hat right now. It doesn't hurt. It's not too tight or anything. Moves around fairly good. I mean, I can move and it's not going to fall off or anything. Just make sure you got the distance correctly of where you want your mouth, so you're not speaking too far into it and popping those P's like I am right now. It does have the volume knob underneath on the power knob. It also has a reverb effect. I'm not sure when you would need this, like when you want to have it, but it gives you that option. Also, when you switch modes like Bluetooth or FM radio, the microphone still works, so you can talk over it. But as you can see, it's fairly effective for what you want. I got it at full volume right now. I feel like I want it to be a little bit louder, but just for basic things, I mean, I think this works. So it does have an antenna for the FM radio if you want to use that. And don't forget, it has an SD slot right here, like I showed you earlier, where you can put your own music or whatever you need, and your microphone will talk over it. So this is definitely a good option. So if you want a low-cost option for voice amplification for a classroom, for small events, definitely look into this. Don't get this if you want something that is going to go super far, like if you're trying to use it in a huge room or something like that. I wouldn't go with this guy, but if you want something for small events or a small classroom, definitely look into this. I do recommend it. Alright, so where can you get this? You can get this on Amazon right now for $24.99. Link is in the description. That is a pretty good price. I mean, if you just want a really simple voice amplifier that's not going to break the bank, this is definitely the way to go. I do wish it was a little bit louder, but if you're only going to use this like in a small classroom or small events, then this is definitely the way to go. Definitely one of my favorite parts about it is that it's so light. Definitely recommend it. Go check it out. Get one for yourself. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, go ahead and put in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell button for notifications, and we will see you next time.